Most students study for hours every day, yet still don't see the results they want. If that sounds familiar, maybe you're making these 5 common mistakes. I've been there too, but once I fixed them, everything changed. So let's go through each one and make your study sessions actually work. The biggest mistake is starting to study without any preparation. You just open a random chapter and hope to get productive. But that's like running without a map. Before you start, take 2 minutes to prepare. Know exactly what topic you'll study, what materials you need, and what result you want from this session. A clear plan removes 80% of distractions. Prepare your mind, prepare your space, prepare your plan, then begin. Focused, or in the mood. But the truth is that time never comes. Motivation starts after you begin, not before. So next time your brain says, "Not now, do this," just sit down, open the book, and study for 5 minutes. Once you start, the rest becomes easy. Remember, discipline beats motivation every single time. Every subject needs a different approach. You can't memorize physics formulas like English essays. You can't cram math like history. When you use the same method for everything, you end up wasting time. For logical subjects, practice problems. For theory subjects, summarize and teach yourself aloud. For concept-heavy topics, draw, visualize, connect ideas. Study smart, not just hard. Smart students don't study everything. They study what matters. Some topics look fancy but almost never appear in exams. Some parts are just filler. So learn to identify what to skip, ask teachers what's most important, check past papers, focus on high weightage topics. Time is limited. Don't waste it on the wrong things. Bonus mistake, just studying. You can't just sit and read all day. Real learning needs breaks, revision, testing, and sleep. Otherwise, you're not learning, you're repeating. Try the 50 to 10 rule. 50 minutes study, 10 minutes break. It keeps your brain fresh and focused.